Okay, I just wanted to share this video with you. This is a typical problem that I've had for many years because I like to use a fitted sheet and a flat sheet as I'm going to try to show you here. Fitted and then flat. And the problem is that every time we got up in the morning, the flat sheet would be rolled up in a ball at the end of the bed or usually on the floor because it would never stay in place. So when I've bought sheets or I've gotten sheets as a gift, there's usually a flat and fitted, and I just never used the flat sheet. It was so annoying. So what I did was I would either make curtains out of them or use it just as extra material for something else. But I finally came up with an idea, and it's a common problem and it works. This really does work, at least for me. What I did was I put the fitted sheet on first, corner to corner, made sure that it was really tight at each corner, and then I took the flat sheet and laid it. Actually, what I did with the flat sheet, I folded it lengthwise in half. I went like half over, and then where the fold was, say about here, I held that with my thumb and forefinger, and all I did was just bring it down to about the center of the bed. I just kind of eyeballed it, and that's where I kind of picked up the center of the fitted sheet, and I held it there, and then I pinned it with a straight pin. And then I went along and I pinned it right about to here, and also over on this end I did the same thing. As you can see, it's loose here, so then I pinned it there. Took it off the bed and just sewed it. I just sewed it on my machine, just a straight stitch, and I left the corners open because sometimes I like to stick a foot out, especially in summer. Sometimes I like to do that, and then it kind of falls nicely on the corner that way. Otherwise, if you sew it all the way to the end, which you could do if you want, it's going to be more, like this. It's going to kind of hang that way rather than a nice kind of I can't talk. Corner fold, okay? So in any case, this works out great. The only problem that I saw after I was all done, I didn't realize that I had the top sheet, the flat sheet, with the print up, and it should have been facing down. So I learned. This was one of my first ones that I made, and so thereafter then I always made sure that I had the printed side down, and just went ahead and sewed it, and it's really worked. I mean, I can show you when you pull the sheet back all the way, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay right there, and consequently it does stay in place at night. There too, when you make your bed in the morning, it's so much easier because the sheet is always in place. You don't have to kind of guess where's the center at and kind of mess around with it. You just pull it up like I'm doing here, and you just make your bed the normal way that you would.